Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about how we can interact with Neo4j using Python. So first I'm going to open a new notebook and install Neo4j Python library in it. So I'm going to type pip install Neo4j. It will take a while in your system if you have not already installed it. In my case, I have already installed, so it's just going to finish in a while. Meanwhile it's installing, I'm going to Neo4j desktop and I will copy this bold port and I will quickly come back over here. Here you can see Python is saying requirement already satisfied because I have already installed it. So now I'm going to import Neo4j and I'm going to type from Neo4j import graph database. So there's no error, our library is successfully installed. Another task will be to initialize the driver. So I'm just going to type graph db equals graph database dot driver. Inside here we are going to paste this bold port and you can copy this just by clicking over here. So inside the semi inverted comma I'm going to put this, and then we are required to give this username and password for Neo4j. In my case the username was Neo4j and I have set the password like this. If this runs well, then you are successfully connected to your graph database. I'm just going to print this over here now. Here you can see we are getting an output for GraphDB. So this can, like you can say, the program is working fine. So we can now start by searching nodes, and particularly you can have session with it. So let me create a session for that. I'm going to use graphdb.session and then I'm going to write a query. And I'm simply going to return n with limit of 10. So I can only see 10 values over here. And then I'm going to run this using session, and for seeing results yes, we can run this now and let's see what happens. You can see the connected database is now showing the results. Furthermore, what you can do is, like, suppose I want to search for anything, so I'm again going to, this time just copy this. I will write another query over here, and this time this is going to be match where n.names equal so here I need to give Andy I will simply return M. Let's see what's the output. This is giving some kind of error. So I'm going to run this. Here you can see the name is Andy and the ID is 5 with the label Frozen Set, born in 1967. Similarly, you can perform more operations. Suppose I want to create a node with a particular label, so I'm gonna again start a session. What type session? Then I'm going to write queries, and it's going to be like create and I'll pass name as Shivam. This seems fine, so I will run this using session dot run q1, and then I will write another query, and that's going to be match and team and return the same. Now nodes section, I will just copy it from the web, and I will write q2 over here and run this code. So you can see another node has been created with the name Shivam. So this was basics about how we can work with Neo4j with Python. In our previous video, I have already talked about how we can perform different Cypher queries. So thanks for watching.